Let me share this meal with you. I would say this is a complete meal. It is our egg paratha and it's very simple to make. You can eat this as a complete meal with your favorite juice or whatever. These are the ingredients, and we'll be introducing some more as we go along. So let's get started by pouring into our bowl some milk. You can use evaporated milk with a little water. Go in with egg and then add your vegetables of choice. I'm using some onions here, tomato, some green bell peppers, and then I'll go in to add ginger and garlic powder. Also add in some red powdered pepper, and I'm going to just add some more because I wanted it to be very spicy. I added my flour, and I'm going to mix this until everything comes together. This can be served as a complete meal. So, yes, instead of eating your egg very boring, you can just do this and it's just good. It tastes so nice. I added some salt to taste as well, and I'll mix until I get a consistency like this. You can make it a bit lighter if that is what you want. Instead of milk, you can just go in with only water. Just grease your pan with some oil. We are going to scoop a reasonable amount. Okay, just you can spread it as we say. We'll just scoop a reasonable amount of the paste or of our mixture, and then we'll put it into our pan just like this. You spread it evenly to be able to get a very good consistency and thickness, and you fry it on the other side for 1 minute, and then you flip it over again and then cook it again for another 1 minute. Make sure your fire is on low to medium so you don't get it burned while it's not even done cooking. And you just do that to until you exhaust everything. And this is our egg paratha. I hope that this video helps you and you're going to give it a try. Don't be scared, don't be shy. Always try out new things and you will love them. I honestly didn't know this would taste good until I gave it a try, and it has become my favorite now. Thank you so much for stopping by, and do not forget to like, share the video, and also tell your friends about this amazing channel. Don't forget that we always share amazing content here, and if you want that, you can check out my playlist in the description, and I know there'll be something there for you to love. Also follow me on my other social media platforms. See you soon. Bye.